So you might be having some issues on your Apple Vision Pro, or for some reason you're getting some tracking issues that are going around. Now what does this mean? Well, maybe this may mean that your eye tracking is not working properly, or maybe your hand tracking isn't working, or whatever the case is happening on your particular device. Now, like I said, this can happen for a few different reasons. The number one thing I'd recommend doing though and trying to do is to reboot your particular headset. So just go through, find that power button associated on your particular headset and see if you can basically just, reset it or restart it. That might be the fastest way to go and fix this problem. A lot of people run into these types of issues, so it's not the end of the world if you do run into this problem. But like I said, that's a very, very decent starting point. Just start there and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem, which for a lot of people, that might be the fastest way to end up fixing it. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, another thing you may want to try doing is to go through and you just want to see if there's an update available for your headset. These first generation products, there's going to be a ton of issues you're going to run into all the time. So one of the things I'd recommend doing here is to just go through and just see if there's any way you can actually go through and just fix this problem by just updating your, your whole entire system. So make your way over to your settings. You want to click into general from there, and you want to go and see if you're able to go and update your particular headset. If there is an update available, pretty much all you're going to have to do is just update your headset, which again can end up fixing the problem for almost every single person watching this video. If that doesn't end up fixing it, another thing you may want to try doing is making sure that all the sensors around your particular headset, so the cameras, like anything, associated with it at all, you want to make sure that nothing is, blocking those cameras. And you may just want to go and make sure that's not a problem either. Because if that is the problem, well, again, there's not much you have to do. You're just going to have to wipe down those cameras. And that might be all you have to do there as well. So those are a few different ways to go and fix this problem. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.